Last week I announced on my Instagram and in the community tab here on YouTube that I have a collaboration with Shay Jewelry. It's, you know what, I've been really weird about making this video. I don't really know why. I don't know why, because I'm really proud of it and I'm so happy with how it turned out. And everybody's comments and messages have been so wonderful, really. And it's just, it's amazing. And to be honest, I think part of it is just because, like, I'm just shocked that, you know, it's sodding happened. But yes, this glorious piece of lavender ceramic diamond and yellow gold bracelet is from my collaboration. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I thought I'd sort of go through how this happened and, yeah, give you the details about it if you're interested. Okay, like this is just a video for me to tell you about it. Disclaimer, I get a commission if you buy from it, like with affiliate links sort of thing. So if you go, you know, into the description box and click the link and buy it, then I get a commission. But aside from that, this is just me wanting to talk to you about the process and the ins and outs in case you want more details, and to say thank you as well. But okay, so let's start it off. So I've known about Shay Jewelry for years, right? And 2 years ago I did a video on this channel that was talking about fine jewellery brands instead of Cartier and Van Cleef that you can buy, right? And I featured Shay Jewelry. And I don't even know, like, how long I'd been following or known about them before that, right? But last year, I want to say October/November time, I was invited by a PR firm who represent them to go and see their new collection at some, like, insane penthouse on the Upper East Side. And I was like, well, you want me to have a look at some jewels in some, like, tens of millions, you know, of dollars penthouse on the Upper East Side? Of course I'm going to come have a nosy. So I met the team there, loved the pieces obviously, and I tried on this ring, this white ceramic link ring, yellow gold and diamonds, right? Okay, so couldn't stop thinking about it. Months go past. It's Christmas. I would like to get myself a treat for Christmas. Haven't stopped thinking about the ring. Let me get the ring. So I bought the ring then, and I have worn it every single day since. But following on from that, I then get reached out to by the team at Shay to basically say that, you know, since me posting that video, they've seen sales come through and people have mentioned that it's because of me, or they've been able to sort of, like, track where it's come from and it's been that video or whatever. And they'd be really interested in possibly doing a collaboration. So I was like, oh, this is insane, but all right. And that was at the beginning of this year. So I knew that it had to be something to do with this range. I love this link range. It's, you know, I love coloured ceramics, white ceramic and enamel and all of that. I think it's so underrated and it's crazily hard wearing. Like I said, I've worn this every day for the last, what month are we in now? 8 months. It looks exactly the same as when I got it, you know, out of the box. I think it's interesting. I don't see ceramics a lot in fine jewellery. And of course I love the links and the chunk of it. It's giving Cassie $2 signs. It's giving aspiring rapper, you know? So I knew it had to be something to do with that. I'm not a jewellery designer, right? I've got no idea what I'm doing, but I knew that it had to be a colour that would work on a lot of skin tones. This were my priorities. Work on a lot of skin tones, go with all 3 different golds, so white, yellow and rose gold, and be easy to stack / wouldn't stand out too much from whatever somebody is already wearing. For example, you know I love a neon pop, right? Let's be honest, aside from me, the majority of people maybe wouldn't want, you know, to spend a lot of money because these things are fine jewellery. We'll get to that in a second. But nobody's going to want to spend a lot of money on something that doesn't work for their everyday. I'm a very big proponent of, I wear my fine jewellery all of the time. It has to make sense. It has to be hard wearing, and it has to always just, you know, be easy to wear. I don't take any of my stuff off. Maybe I should, but I don't. So went with the lavender, and I am so obsessed with how it turned out. I can't even tell you. So as part of this range, there are 2 types of rings and 2 types of bracelets. So this ring here is the triple link ring. There's this, there's also a version that just has the 1 link. Shay only does fine jewellery, so everything is white, yellow, rose gold, diamonds, emeralds, sapphires, that kind of thing, right? So there's this in the lavender with any of the white golds you want, they can do it for you. If there's a size on the website if you're a size that they don't have on the website, they can do it for you. But if you want something a little bit toned down, then there's the single link as well. Then you have the bracelets. So there's 2 sizes of the bracelets. This is the one in yellow gold. Again, it's available in white, it's available in rose gold, and there's a slightly smaller version. I was sort of between that one or this one, for which one, you know, for myself. It works so well, and that's what I love about these. It's comfortable, it's smooth, everything is flexible, it fits in great, and I'm just really, really proud of it. And I just want to say, for those of you that have purchased, like, I don't even have the words to thank you. Thank you so much. But also for those of you that, I know that these things are expensive. Those of you that have simply said, this is amazing, or that you're proud of me, or that like, this makes so much sense, blah, 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 that means just as much to me as the purchasers do, because this is the first time I've collaborated with a brand in this respect. It's a brand that I've loved for years, that 2 years ago, when I was talking about them on the channel, never would I ever have thought that the possibility of doing like something like this with them would ever be possible. It's an incredible sort of milestone for me. And none of it would have happened if you guys hadn't have been supporting me, watching the video. For those of you that have bought and have trusted me and my style and recommendations and all of that to shell out the money to buy those pieces that got them interested in working with me and all of that, I am so grateful and thankful. Yeah, I wouldn't have this opportunity without you, and I don't like getting too sloppy on here because I'm very sensitive and I will cry. But no, it really does, it means so much. Maybe it's also partly New York. New York has blessed me in ways that I would never have even imagined, with all of the grime and the rats. And the exceptional price of rent. Thank you. I'm just filming a video about my jewellery collaboration, and I just wanted to see what your thoughts were as my father.
What do I think about it? I think it's smashing. I like the colours, the mix of the colours.
Thank you
Modern
so
yet
much.
classical.
Oh my gosh, thank you. So yes, the lavender is my collaboration. They also do white, black, and they also do pink, if you're interested in that as well. Link will be below if you're interested, but if not, then just thank you anyway. And you know, with people, with content creators and all of that, we've all seen collaborations where we've seen stuff and we've been like, oh, that doesn't make much sense, does it? Like, can you imagine if I came on here and I was like, I would like to announce my collaboration with Febreze. It's a special Cassie $2 scent. I don't know, but we've seen those sorts of like collaborations between brands and people that don't make sense, and it is an honour to be able to have a collaboration like this with a brand that I love because of you. So, love you. Let's not get sloppy. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.